Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this Yin Yang effect using particle in UE5 Niagara. And you can see I have these all particles shaped in Yin Yang and these are also rotating all together. So I will create this from scratch so you can understand better. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this tutorial, like, share and comment. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Here's my link, CGHOW underscore, that is my handle, and link is in the description. You can follow me and let's start this tutorial. So you can see I have lots of particles. These are GPU particles. These are shaped in this yin yang. And how I created this, you need a texture first, a yin yang texture with alpha. So alpha is full image. And then we have this yin yang black and white image. So what I did, let's delete it from here so it will not be distracting. I'll put all these files on my Patreon and I'm creating it again in my this test folder. So we need this texture. You can download it from internet or you can just create in Photoshop or any 2D software. Uh, so in this test, I will create a Niagara, take a fountain, call it test. Okay. And now here I will delete these things and I have just the shape location and I'll use the box